There are two words which always confuse students while making sentences. I have seen them making mistakes using these two words. So I thought I should clear the concept कि where to use in order to और where to use in order that. तो सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि in order to. The meaning of in order to is के लिए. It means to. इसमें हम लोग infinitive verb के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं to plus V1. उसी प्रकार in order to plus V1. जैसे example, I go to market in order to purchase vegetables. तो मतलब क्या हुआ कि मैं बाजार जाता हूँ सब्जी खरीदने के लिए. I watch news in order to get the information about the world. यानी मैं न्यूज़ देखता हूँ पूरे विश्व के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. He plays या फिर he plays any game in order to win. यानी वह कोई भी गेम खेलता है गेम को जीतने के लिए. अब आते हैं. Now it's time to talk about in order that. The meaning of in order that is so that. That means ताकि. अब इसको यूज कैसे करते हैं देखते हैं. I put on new clothes so that I can look handsome. तो मतलब क्या हुआ कि मैं नए कपड़े पहनता हूं ताकि मैं सुंदर दिख सकूं. और देखते हैं. She helps others in order that she can get appreciation of theirs. यानी वह दूसरों की मदद करती है ताकि वह लोगों की अप्रिसिएशन या तारीफ ले सके. एक और देखते हैं. He works very hard in order that he can get success. He rides bike very fast in order that he can reach to his destination on time. एक और लेते हैं. यानी she worships in order that she can get her wishes fulfilled by God. एक लास्ट एग्जाम्पल. He takes balanced diet. He takes balanced diet so that he can stay away from diseases. या he can stay aloof from diseases. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि वह संतुलित आहार लेता है ताकि वह बीमारियों से दूर रह सके. I hope you must have understood these uses of these two words and you will be able to use without mistake these two words. So now I would like to conclude my speaking and I will meet you in my next video. Goodbye. See you.